Today unboxing is on the Tomica TLV Ferrari 365 GT4 BB, released in 1973. Just like the nostalgic Skyline, Tomica also tries to cover a comprehensive range of Ferrari TLV, much to the pain of our wallet. The BB in red was released last year in December, which I hold on my review, to pair along with the Takara Tomy More exclusive in yellow, which was released this month. It comes in a standard TLV square box in matte finish, which I think is great, and you can also see the foil stamping of the 365 GT4 BB, which is a nice touch. The outer box shows the key line of the casting with opening features. Really can't comprehend why we need to install our own side mirror at such a high price point for the BB. And here you can see the opening features with the instruction to tell you to handle with care to avoid breakage. It also comes in a standard bio card with 2 parallel copy in Japanese. Here's the casting with the separate component, which I'm not going to install it. I can't see any flaw here apart from the missing side mirrors. I think TLV did a very polished job on this casting. Like the interior with the painted steering wheels and seat, which I think TLV did a fantastic job. The body color is sleek. It comes in a signature Ferrari red together with the star wheels. The rear is always my favorite. Just look at the exhaust and the rear lights. Plenty of details with quality workmanship. And now for the opening features, just like the 787B, it's very loosely fitted. There's no catch or whatsoever to hold the rear cover in place. It reveals a very nice details on the engine compartment, which you can see on the close-up. It will also be a challenge in diecast photography, as the cover is very loose. And now the yellow color variant BB, which is the Takara Tomy More exclusive and also available at Tomica shop in Japan. Same box design as the red, it's just a different color variant. Same annoying user mounting part for the mirrors, and a similar bio card with 2 parallel copy in Japanese. Wow, this 365 BB looks refreshing in yellow. Although everything is the same as the red version, it gives a totally different vibe. I feel that there's more energy to this casting as compared with the red. Similar realistic details with quality finishing, the star wheels that rose perfect, and also the highly detailed rear, which is very impressive. Same opening features, which is very loosely fitted to show the engine compartment. Overall, this Ferrari BB makes a great pair, along with other initial release, which is a pain to our wallet. But nevertheless, I'm very happy that Tomica TLV did manage to manufacture the best Ferrari series of all times. More Tomica TLV unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!